Welcome. Today we're looking at an interesting little padlock, I guess you'd call it. I get asked about this lock quite a lot. I'll sort of post a photo with just a bunch of junk in the background and this will be in it, and people sort of zoom in on it, on this one and ask, what is that? So I thought we'd have a bit of a feature. For a start, it says Meroni on it, and also hardened. We've got a tubular core there. The keys also say Meroni, Italy on them, just a 7-pin tubular lock. And the way that it works is essentially you've got this central shaft and the end ball comes off when it's unlocked. There are a pair of ball bearings there, so it's ball bearing locked, it wouldn't be shimmable. And there's a groove inside this second ball. Then you've got about a 2-inch long shaft and your pair of balls there. So it came in a blister pack, and this is the sort of contents of that, and it sort of shows that it's being used to link a couple of chain links there, which is an ideal use for it. And really, if you think about how you'd attack something like that, most padlocks you could sort of twist them or whatever. In this case, everything's going to turn on you. It's going to be very hard to cut. The shaft is actually hardened. If we take a file to that, it does skate. So that's probably actually a fairly effective sort of a padlock. You could have up to about a 10mm chain, and the chain would be just as hard to cut as the lock. Anyway, this is a picking channel, so let's get to picking. What I'm going to do is stick a wiper blade in the top there, and if I get it just right, I can sort of apply some torque to it. And then I've got a broken pick here that I can just poke the pins with. So excuse my hands while I get in your way. 3's binding, got a click there. Click at a 5. 7's binding, got a nice click. Back to 1's, click there. Click at a 2. 3 we already got. Can't find 4. Got a click there. 5 set. 6. Okay, that moves us one position, but doesn't unlock the lock. So let's keep going. There's no pin there, so let's wedge into that spot. Not sure if I'm getting tension. Just hadn't set 3 properly. Now we're getting clicks and little movements. There we go. We're open. So that was the Meroni, it says Luccotto, I think that might be the model. Little unusual padlocks. Thanks for watching.